This is your Mohan, design engineer. Welcome to Engineers CAD's YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about AutoCAD software's introduction. First of all, AutoCAD is a commercial designing and drafting software. What do you mean by designing? Designing means 3D, drafting means 2D, and commercial means paid. Means AutoCAD is a paid 2D 3D designing software. Let's come to discuss about what is the difference between paid AutoCAD software and cracked free AutoCAD software. So first we will discuss about paid AutoCAD software. In paid AutoCAD software, if we stop in mid of the drawing and then close AutoCAD application suddenly, then how much part of drawing done before closing will save automatically in AutoCAD paid subscription account ID safely. Means it will not ask you to save manually. Suddenly you are going to close the AutoCAD means. That is one of the benefit. Okay. In whereas in cracked free software, if you stop in mid of the drawing and then close AutoCAD application suddenly, then how much part of the drawing done before closing will not save automatically. You have to save it manually. If you will not save it manually, you will lose that drawing part. What you have drawn before closing the AutoCAD application. That is one of the major difference there between paid software to free software. The rest of all are same. Okay. Paid software is used by MNC companies, level 1, level 2 grade companies, MSMEs, startup companies will use. Free software will be by training centers, students, and small demonstrations. In somewhere we will use free software. Okay. AutoCAD equal to auto plus CAD. Okay. That first four letters, what is written here, auto plus CAD. This auto means Autodesk, the company which had made the software. Okay, that Autodesk company made the software AutoCAD. So he is the owner of the company. AutoCAD company is maintained by Autodesk. AutoCAD software is maintained by Autodesk company. So Autodesk company is the owner of AutoCAD software. That is why to keep this company's name in the software, that's why he kept first four letters of the company name into software name. Okay, if he kept first four letters of the company name, first four letters of the company name is included in the software name in first four letters. Now it became auto means Autodesk, CAD means computer aided drafting and designing. No means you can also call officially computer aided designing. Somebody will say drafting and design also. That can be meaningful, but mostly officially is correct is computer aided design. AutoCAD full form totally now including this all total abbreviation and total full form is now become Autodesk computer aided design. Okay, so John Walker, the fellow who had invented the software at 1982 December, while he was working in Autodesk company as a team leader. Okay, the Autodesk company is located in San Francisco, California, USA. It is a US based software company and it served a lot to the world because every drafting work and every designing planning work are getting today very easier due to this software company. So it is very good company and helping a lot in infrastructures and mechanical parts, electrical and everything planning department works all will run very nicely with this AutoCAD software. Who will use AutoCAD mostly? AEC people will use AutoCAD mostly. Then doubt comes to your brain. What do you mean by AEC? Newly we are listening. A stands for architecturers. E stands for engineers for all the branches like mechanical, electrical, ECE, these like all branches. C stands for civil and construction departments. These are the fields which are mostly using AutoCAD for day-to-day life in their work. Okay. Generally, in AutoCAD, working people will have the following designations. People who are working in AutoCAD in industries, in companies, in offices, they will be designated with some position in their companies. If somebody asks you, a CAD person is working in a company, then the person may, out of this any six category, he will be available there. The person in the company will definitely have any one designations out of these six designations. Like in some companies, they will call him as a AutoCAD engineer. In some companies, they will call as CAD designer. In some companies, they will call as drafting engineer. In some companies, they will call as drafting engineer. In some companies, they will call you design engineer. In some companies, they will call you CAD draftsman. Like this, other names are there. Okay, most of the team leaders, most of them, most of the team leaders, project managers, planning engineers also will use AutoCAD. Means many people, this is one of the best software that everyone must have to use. Mostly for engineering sector, ITI, diploma, and civil, mechanical, architecture, these sections they have to mostly use this one. Otherwise, their plans cannot be executed properly. The work cannot be done without this AutoCAD. Okay, it can go into wrong way. AutoCAD, you might have listened that, you might have seen in ITI, in diploma, in engineering, whenever you are studying, you have one subject. That's name is engineering drawing. Okay, engineering drawing is one of the subject in their academics of ITI, diploma, and engineering people. That engineering drawing is called manual drafting. Means manually we have to do the drawing process, but AutoCAD drawing is called digitally drawing doing system. So that is called manual drafting system. Engineering drawing is called manual drafting system. In engineering, while you are studying, you will learn manual drafting system. After engineering, to go to company, you have to learn digital drafting system, because you have to work in company based on computer only. That's why that manual drafting too you have to shift to digital drafting. That's why people who are pursuing engineering diploma or ITI, they have to learn at any stage of their life into AutoCAD, because while they're working in company, company needs digital operation of AutoCAD, not manual drafting. Colleges only need manual drafting. Let us done. Let us learn what is the difference between manual drafting system and digital drafting system. I mean engineering drawing in on-sheet drawing and drawing in AutoCAD software. Why people are shifting to this one? Why companies are telling that even though you are doing drawing in manual drafting system, even though you are learning manual drafting system in engineering subjects in your academics, but companies are saying learn this one and come to job digital drafting system like AutoCAD. Why? The reason I will tell why companies are using this one, why we have to learn. Because some facilities are there which are very important. If you do manually drafting, it will take more time. Manually you will draw any diagram, it will take more time. If you will draw digitally, it will take less time. Okay, more times editing or modification is not safer as in paper drawing sheet. You have a paper, you have done one drawing wrong, you will erase it twice, thrice, fourth time you will erase, will the sheet will stay? It will damage. But in digital sheet, how many times you will erase also, sheet will not damage because it is screen based sheet. Okay, it will not damage. So that is safer. Possibility is more for errors and accuracy is less. In manual drafting system, Our scale pencils are good or may not good, and our pencil may thickness grow or less. Our scale edges may damage or may not damage. That line cannot be too much perfect and accuracy 100%. But in digital, everything is coded programming. That's why line and whatever you will do, the thickness of line, everything is perfect. Error is zero. Accuracy is 200%. Okay, let's go. Manual drafting system needs lots of devices. If you want to do engineering drawing, you need table, seat, plugs, and drafter, scale, pencil, eraser, and protractor. These all. But digital drafting system, only company needs a single laptop will throw on the face of an employee and do the entire process. No need to provide company these all things to you. That is why company is asking all the people, engineers, diploma holders, everyone learn AutoCAD and come to company, because this many benefits are there. That's why companies are following digital drafting system. What is drafting? An ITI or diploma or engineer draws any diagram using perfect dimensions, standards, and geometric principles and geometric objects. Then such work is called drafting. So if an artist will draw drawing, he will not follow dimensions, he will not follow geometric conditions and geometric objects and instruments. He will just what thought will come to his brain, using that he will draw. Using that we cannot do analysis. Engineer or diploma person, they will do analysis on their work. To do such works, they need perfect dimensions and perfect geometrical instruments and geometrical objects. If an engineer or a diploma or ITA person will draw any diagram for their work, that work must contain dimensions and it should be used. There should be used perfect geometrical objects and geometrical instruments. Then such drawing work to be called drafting. What do you mean by designing? Designing is such a thing that it is just 3D form of 2D drawing. Okay, drafting is 2D, designing is 3D. Something you have drawn, suppose let us take example of a box. You have drawn top part, bottom part and right part of a box. Okay, as top view, front view, right view. These three are called drafting, 2D view. And using these three 2D views, if you draw 3D object using designing, and such is called designing, mostly will be done by using 3D softwares. So using 3D softwares, when you do 2D work too, you will give elevation, 3D drawing will form, and the 3D drawing too will provide material, further works we will do. That is called designing. Okay, designing will give you to an object 3D form and realistic form it will provide. Okay, so keep in one thing in mind, that always designing is nothing but 3D form of 2D. Okay, so some civil works names which we do in AutoCAD. Using AutoCAD, some civil works we will do. So each sector to three main drawing doing names I just kept. We just go on them and discuss shortly. Okay, some civil works we will do using AutoCAD. Those famous three works I'm just keeping. Some more are there, but I just picked main three from them to just mention you or to suggest you all that this works mostly we are doing. Okay. So some civil works names which we do in AutoCAD, building layout plans we will do in AutoCAD using civil works, and elevational drawings also mostly necessary, sectional drawings also necessary to do some buildings and construction works. Okay, some architecture works also we do in AutoCAD, floor plan layouts, interior design layouts, exterior design layouts also we are using mostly AutoCAD. Some mechanical works we do in AutoCAD like machine diagrams and pipeline layouts and sheet metal drawings. Some are there, but just I kept three. Okay. Some electrical works also we can do in AutoCAD using electrical layout plans, schematic diagrams, and interior integrated circuit diagrams. These also we can do. Some example photos of AutoCAD civil drawings. for your virtual explanation means you can see those drawings. I just kept them on screen. Okay, some example photos of AutoCAD architectural drawings like these are there. Let me tell shortly about these all. This is a floor plan, okay, where we keep bed and everything, and kitchen room, interior, exterior, all based on this one. I just kept this one. This is stairs lifting, getting down from stairs, and this side elevation of stairs, top elevation of stairs, three-storied buildings, side elevation drawing, okay, section drawing also I gave, and floor plan. These are also mentioned here. Civil and architecture related drawings will look like this, okay, and I'm just giving oral view of those drawings, okay, for your understanding. Example photos of AutoCAD mechanical drawings and some example photos of AutoCAD electrical drawings also I just kept here. Gears, wrench, rotational gear, driven gear, these are also there here, and some mechanical plunge with some part kept here. Those like drawings also will do. I just kept some. Most drawings we can do: machine diagrams, nuts, bolts, seat metals, and car drawing. Everything designs we can do. Okay. Some examples of photos of AutoCAD electrical drawings are there. Schematic diagrams, okay, integrated circuit diagrams, layout related diagrams, lights, bulb switches related connections. These all I kept just for example for oral explanation of use. Okay. Okay. There are six types of AutoCADs are there. According to my 9 years of study, what I got to know that I can do a good classification. So I did it myself this classification. Which one is I noticed whatever around going on me regarding revolution AutoCAD around me. People are coming and approaching wherever I'm working, and from the seeing this all, I just classified this AutoCAD into six type, which is hardly running in the market. Other sectors nobody touching in AutoCAD. So there are six type of AutoCAD there. Okay, one is AutoCAD common. Common AutoCAD is there. It can work for all fields. Okay, AutoCAD mechanical for mechanical works. It is available. AutoCAD mechanical available. AutoCAD architecture also available. There you will get to little bit some more symbols and notations we can apply for civil architecture plans. P and ID is entered for pipeline design work. Okay, and plumbing work. AutoCAD plant 3D, it will make you mechanical plants, pressure vessels, tunnels, and steel plants, boiler plant, like this. For plant drawings we will use this one. AutoCAD MEP for mechanical, electrical, plumbing, central AC, diffusers. Okay, for these all it will work. Okay, so this like AutoCAD classifications are there, but AutoCAD common to these all small differences there. AutoCAD common 95% AutoCAD fully there in AutoCAD common. If anybody will do AutoCAD common, more 5 to 6 days they will carry mean they can complete AutoCAD mechanical. After doing AutoCAD common, if any fellow will do more 5 days of mechanical works, AutoCAD common, AutoCAD architecture you want to do means AutoCAD common do, then after 5 to 6 days you work out on architecture drawings, it is enough. AutoCAD common you do and 4 to 5 days you work out for P and ID, then it is good. AutoCAD common and then AutoCAD plant 3D you work out, it is good. AutoCAD common and AutoCAD MEP you will do means it will be quite better for your career. Directly doing AutoCAD mechanical, AutoCAD architecture, AutoCAD P&ID, AutoCAD plant 3D, AutoCAD MEP will only give you knowledge regarding that sector only. But whenever out of branch or some other side, some other AutoCAD drawings will come, you cannot handle it. So my suggestion is what? Wherever you are going, first learn AutoCAD common, then after you go to your mechanical stream, architecture stream, P&IT stream, plant 3D stream, and MEP stream. But don't go directly to your stream without learning AutoCAD common, because AutoCAD common will give you full knowledge about AutoCAD. After that, you will go to mechanical stream related drawings and architecture related P&I plant 3D MEP related. Okay. Okay. Indian companies which are using AutoCAD. India's major automobile manufacturing companies include Maruti, Suzuki, Hyundai Motors, India, Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra, Force Motors, Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited, Eicher's Motors, Royal Enfield, Sonalika Tractors, Hindustan Motors. Okay, these all Indian companies are all are doing their own design works in their own companies only, and those all companies are using AutoCAD. Without AutoCAD, they cannot even sustain and they cannot make any product without planning in AutoCAD. Abroad companies which are using AutoCAD, Mercedes-Benz, Fiat, Tofas, Wagrana, Hyundai, Toyota, Ford, Austin, AC, EV Group, Borland Racing, Borwell, Brahma Automatic, Ilford Sports, Cars, Bombardier, Campion, Filano, Corporation, Influential, Nova Bus, Prevost, Stereden, Incas, New Flyer, these are Canadian companies. These are companies also using AutoCAD for their design work. Okay, so from my side, as a 9 years experienced in this field, being design engineer, so I am giving you some suggestions regarding AutoCAD, that how to be very good in AutoCAD, how to be a good AutoCAD engineer. That's I'm giving you some 5 to 6 suggestions to you in the written format. It is written at the end of the video. You can see it. Use always command bar, shortcut commands only. Yes, it is good. Shortcut commands you will use means no need to worry about AutoCAD. If you somebody don't know menu bar, ribbon bar, something, you just directly go and command bar. You can attend the written test. Everything you can attend. It is good. Command bar will give you overall knowledge, theoretical plus practical. Use units and dimensions proper with standards. So very careful. If units are wrong, may your project will go in a wrong way and your design will fail and it leads to further more risks. So these two are very carefully you have to observe. Maintain concept clear about layers, blocks, groups, draw tools and modify tools. Yes, these are very mandatory. These five are jewelries like things in AutoCAD. Prepare layout presentation in clear and easily understandable manner, because your layout is not properly done, then in a manufacturing plant, whoever use that one, or in civil drawings, whoever use that one, they will feel confused to process the work, seeing the seat if they are running the work. Use text and symbols with as per the drawing standards. Yes, you have to write headings with big letters and thick nicely, and rooms, partition, divisions, you have to write small letters with nicely. And whenever mechanical symbol, civil symbol, electrical symbol keeping, you should carefully use text and symbols. So that is also you must take careful of these all things. These all will make you perfect your drawing, and it will be better drawing for the observer who will observe the drawing. Okay, thank you.